Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about the importance of storytelling in AI video creation. The very first point is it is the heart of every video. Without a story, a AI video is just a collection of random clips. So, in this course, you're going to create a final project for yourself. You're going to create images, you're going to create scenes, you're going to bring all these scenes together to create a nice 30 seconds to 40 seconds video. So this video will contain nice storytelling. The second point is stories create connection. A good story helps your audience relate to your video. So whenever you create AI videos or any other videos, when you include storytelling, it is going to create a good connection between you and your audience. The third point is why it matters in AI videos. AI can generate endless images and clips, but it doesn't automatically give them meaning. Storytelling is the glue that holds those scenes together. With storytelling, your AI video goes from random outputs to polished narrative. So AI can create a lot of videos. When you give input, it can create a lot of scenes, images and all. But the main aspect is the storytelling, your personality, your authenticity. All these things will matter a lot when you create AI videos. So what are the benefits of storytelling in AI videos? It builds trust and authenticity. It makes videos easier to follow. It encourages viewers to watch till the end, and it strengthens your brand or message. So whenever you have storytelling in your AI videos, the people who watch your videos will love it a lot because you are adding trust and authenticity. You are encouraging viewers to watch it till the end. You are also increasing your strength of your brand through a message. So what are some real world examples? Business intro video. Instead of showing random office shots, tell the founder's journey in 5 scenes. So if you are a business owner, instead of showing some random clips of your office, you can tell your story. What is your name? What is your why? Why did you start doing the work that you're doing right now? So this is very important. If it is a student project, instead of showing a slideshow of images, create a story arc about growth and learning. So the takeaway is AI creates the visuals, you provide the story. That is what makes a difference between forgettable content and a video people want to share. As I said before, this is going to be a project and you are going to create a nice 30 seconds to 50 seconds or 40 seconds video talking about yourself and your achievements. So this course is all about creating a nice video at the end talking about yourself. So we are going to take step by step, like creating images, creating scenes, bringing them all together, editing to create a final video about yourself. All right. So this is going to be a hands-on course. So please follow the videos in sequence. All right. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.